What's the meaning of benediction? Benediction. Benediction.
Benediction. Benediction. Benediction is a word that comes from the Latin term benedictio, which means a good saying or blessing. It typically refers to a blessing or invocation of divine help, often given at the end of a religious service or ceremony. In Christianity, benedictions are often given by clergy members and are intended to convey God's love and grace to the congregation. Additionally, benedictions can be used in secular settings as well, such as at the conclusion of a speech or performance, to express good wishes or offer words of encouragement. Overall, benediction is a term that connotes positivity, goodwill, and blessings.